So our next task is to inspect all the deadbolts and locks on your doors and everything, and windows. And so with here we've got our deadbolt, which looks awesome on this one. The biggest thing too is you want to make sure that you really make sure that it's latched and locked, because sometimes it'll look locked but it's not. So we're gonna have Malachi go outside and I'm gonna walk him out and see if he can get back in or not. So
let me back in because it's cold out there.
Okay. So I got both of them, so he's good. And then if I just have the one, sometimes, let's see, he's good. Can't get in, so I'm gonna lock him out there for a bit. Looks like it's working. So we're here at the front door, just to kind of make sure that this one's working. We actually don't have a deadbolt on this one, but we can put one in. It's easy to do it. You can look it up online or owner's manual or anything and probably find out how to do it. So
eventually I'd like to put one in there, but for now it's just this lock. But we'll make sure that this one works, and then.
And this door is a little bit hard to shut, so you have to really make sure you push as well. Sometimes just old houses, so. Oh yeah, see, so he can come in. But I didn't shut it good enough.
Right in.
Intruder. So make sure that one's really. Oh, so he's locked out there. So. Alrighty, so we're here with our window, and we're testing the lock on that. This is a newer window, so it actually has like an automatic lock kind of on it. So it's open, and then.
Yeah, as you can see, when it shuts, it just kind of locks itself into place. There is no mechanism that you have to turn or anything like that, so that's kind of nice with these newer windows. But we'll go ahead and show you another one as well. So we're here with one of our older windows compared to the one that we just showed you. So this one doesn't lock automatically. So basically what we did is we were just on vacation, so we went through and made sure that each of our doors and windows were locked properly. And as you can see with this one, it's a manual. So we actually have to go in and flip this little lever to have it open.
And that one's, yeah, move on that plan.
It's stuck a little bit. And as you can see, it opens, and then you actually do have to physically lock it.
And what that does is it
suctions it.
All of that together.
Yep. So then you know you're safe and nobody's gonna break into the window.
We finished inspecting all the locks and the windows and everything, and making sure that everything's safe for if Malachi works late and I'm home by myself, which, yeah, I want to make sure that nobody's gonna break in. So here in Montana,
make sure that your home is secure and there's no drafts coming in and things like that. So we should be good with this task, and we'll go ahead and move on to the next one.